Hi everyone, this is Sew for Hobby. You may call me Lisa, and this is another craft video. Well, this is like a work in progress. I decided to make these crosses, as you see here on my table, into these beautiful earrings. From this to this. We made our first sample pair. Might be going to my eBay store page sometime this Christmas, and stay tuned for that. And so let's get started. The tools we will need are your round nose and your flat nose. You also will need a pair of, oh wait, there we go, jump rings. I'm using like about an 8mm or 10. No more. It's between a 6 and a 10, as you can see right there. We'll need some ear hooks. I'm using these hyperallergenic ones. That's it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to open that jump ring. Turn it right there in that little hole. Grab your chain nose pliers, your flat nose pliers, twist, you see that hole right there, right where I'm pointing my finger, and the hole opening? Stick it through that hole. Before we close it, stick the ear wire hook through the hole, and there you go. And there you have it. A nice, beautiful earring. Now we'll do one more. Got all these to make, but I'm not going to make all of them for you on camera. So we'll do one more. Take your flat nose. Open it. Stick that hole through that hole. Captain, move it around. Put your ear hook. You see that hole right there? Stick it on right there. And close it. There you have it. Gonna make all of these off camera, and there we have it. I know probably not the same size, but let's see. Let's match it up. Yeah, they are the same size. They made one pair, and there's the other pair. And there you have it. Then I know the ear wire look kind of funny. They don't match. We'll make it matching. We'll make it matching. And there you have it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. And stay tuned for other videos. Check the description box down below and for more information about my store page and my blog page. And make sure you guys watch the other videos and help me by supporting this channel by saying like or dislike to see what kind of content you want to see out there. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.